Okay.
So welcome to another Thursday Thought. So there's been a lot of discussion around AI on the shop floor. One area where AI is already starting to have an impact is computer vision. And in my opinion, there's two parts of computer vision that are really interesting. The one is computer vision inspection. So how to use AI to create models to make inspection of product much more effective. The second part, which is more interesting to me, is how we create virtual devices using AI computer vision. Devices such as bolting tools, barcode scanners, and measuring devices such as a vernier. So imagine a scenario where what is critical on this car assembly is making sure that I tighten on the wheel bolts in the right sequence and making sure that I can tighten on the cover bolts in the right sequence. The way a typical factory would do that is that we would have a mechanical fixture to control the bolting tool, measure a set of encoders, and only when those readings are correct would we enable the bolting tool. Now we can use computer vision to detect this position of the bolting tool and only enable it when it's in position and completely free of any mechanical devices. This is an example of a virtual position control device. If you want to know more about how computer vision works and how it can impact the shop floor, check out this video I made on YouTube. Here's another Thursday Thought.